We have Sleeping Beauty. Here we go, hon. Good morning, everybody. We are feeling rough today. Last night was Millie's first night home after she spent a night away with her grandma, and it was wild. She just wanted to be attached to Andrew and I the whole time, so we didn't sleep. And of course, we are going camping with her this morning. So it's been a wild morning. It's 10 a.m. and we feel like we have ran a marathon. We had to get everything packed and get her packed, and the whole time she was just screaming and crying because she wanted to be held the whole time, and she's exhausted. So she is asleep in the back seat. We are hoping she sleeps the whole way to where we're going. It's about an hour, maybe just over an hour to where we're going.
Yeah.
So hopefully she stays asleep and then she'll wake up and be ready again. Coffee is in order. We will be definitely stopping and getting some coffee on the way. Where we are going, there are a couple of rec sites, so it's first come first serve for like 50% of the sites that are in there. So we're hoping, it's Thursday of a long weekend, we're hoping that when we show up we'll be able to find something, especially since it's going to be like 11 a.m. on a Thursday. So fingers crossed. We've already made the consensus that if we go through the first couple sites and there's nothing, after this morning we're coming home. So hopefully there's something, because it would be nice to get out just the three of us, but we shall see.
See what happens.
Stay tuned. Well, the first site was a bust, so we're gonna head off to the second one now. Hopefully the second one, which is like 5 minutes from here, will have one. Millie is very angry in the back seat, so we're really hoping that there's one at the next stop that we go, so that we can get her out of her car seat, get set up, and start camping.
So we have found a spot.
It's pretty nice. Millie's gonna like it. She's happy to be out of her car seat. And you're ready to party!
And you can kind of see the lake way over there.
It's pretty busy, but we're lucky to have something on the long weekend, so we're happy with it.
So it's starting to rain a bit. And Allison has taken up the duty of setting up the tarp. We're very limited to trees here, so this is going to be a very interesting thing she does. She's also accidentally tripped over our awning here and ripped our tent. Only second time using it. Perfect. So yeah, stay tuned to see what happens here.
We gave up on the tarp. It was really hard in our little campsite, and it seems to be kind of clearing off, so hopefully we won't need it. The baby has gone down for her first nap, so we're just hanging. Cheers. We've got Sleeping Beauty over here. Hopefully it's a good nap. Millie has woken up, so we are heading to go and pay for our night and maybe just go for a little stroll. My parents are coming for a visit, so can't go too far from the site yet, but we're gonna go for a little walk.
Wait till we pass these people.
Oh, go back. I was taking. We just paid and now we're just walking around. And I was just telling Andrew that growing up, I used to come and walk around this campsite all the time with my family. So it's really strange, but like fun to be actually camping here for the first time. So it's really beautiful in here. It's very lush and green and very West Coasty.
My family used to have a cabin nearby.
Yeah, we love it up here. It's one of our favorite areas. Millie's having a blast. Millie, do you love camping? I'll give you a little tour.
My hat.
Here's Millie playing with Dad. Hi, Millie. Hi.
Help.
Here's the kitchen area. This is Millie's play zone. She's got all her toys and her little chair. She lays on the mat, rolls around. And sleep time. We've got her pack and play. We've got a table. That is her sound machine. It's a little touch light so that if we need to help her in the middle of the night, we got that. We'll also put a bottle or two in here because we'll probably need that for the night. And then there's our stuff. Pretty simple. We just put the awning up today. It's supposed to sprinkle kind of here and there, but we don't think we really need a tarp. It also was really hard to set up a tarp here, so we kind of gave up. So we're just gonna hang. We're gonna just spend some time as a family. We're waiting for my mom to get here. Yeah, we're just gonna hang out, maybe walk down to the beach, have some snacks, just spend some family time. We'll take you along. We found a nice little private spot on the beach. There's a family down the way, so it's pretty busy down that way, but it's nice and private. Like, look at this spot. How gorgeous. We're only about 500 feet from where I used to swim growing up all the time. Maybe a bit further. But I'm so happy to be going swimming. So Andrew's gonna take the baby while I go for a nice big swim.
We're gonna go exploring.
I'll pass you over.
The Andrew and Millie Chronicles have begun. We are hiking in the vast wilderness. Where will this trail take us? Nobody knows. Are you ready, Millie? Here we go. Ta-da, ta-da. Where are we going, Millie? Where are we going? Should we hike up this dry creek bed? Let's do it. Too narrow. What do you think, Millie? It's like we're in the rainforest. Do a flip. Do a flip.
The water is beautiful. So I am gonna go for a swim with my drink while Andrew plays with the baby and have a little bit of mom time.
We spend all this money on baby toys. A stick hitting the ground is the most mesmerizing. Don't eat it. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. No. No. That was close.
I just got out of the water and these two are just hanging out.
Just waiting for Mom. We've resorted to a trail, Bubba. The trail, Bubba, was a success. Camping nap number 3.
Andrew's got the sleeping baby, so I'm gonna cook dinner. We're doing something very simple tonight. We're having craft dinner and hot dogs. So I'm just gonna use bottled water for this because we need to use it up. We have a big 4-liter jug of water, but I don't want to open that up yet unless we don't have to, and we can use it next time. We bring bottled water to make bottles for Millie, so it's just easier this way. This is my least favorite part about camping, is lighting the stove. It's a rough life camping for these two. Especially that one. Angie's just changing Millie, so I'm going to get everything ready for bed for her so that when she's ready for bed, it's not just chaos, because it tends to be a bit of a witching hour when she's ready. So this way everything's ready and we're not scrambling last minute.
Alright, dinner is served. We're going to try to get Millie to sleep here just because she's really tired and it's about that time. So we're going to eat this, get Millie to bed, and I'll see you after. Alright everybody, I think we're going to end the video here.
We got Millie to bed, and we're just going to try and kick back and relax for a little bit before we go to bed ourselves. Camping with a baby isn't for the weak, so we're pretty tired.
Yeah, we have to be out of here by 11 tomorrow, so we're going to be packing up pretty quick, so I'm not going to film any of that. But yeah, thanks for coming along. If there's stuff you want to see or for us to do, or any ideas or feedback of these videos, it's something brand new to both of us.
Really
please let us know down below. Yeah, all right, thanks everybody.
Cheers.
Fire time. They call me Bear Grylls.
As you see, everyone's here to play tonight.